Hi everyone, today we're starting a new journey learning how to create a VPC using Terraform. Now don't worry if this sounds a bit technical, I will explain everything in simple with best examples. By the end of this series, you will not only understand VPC but also will feel confident about building one VPC manually and then automating it with Terraform. So first, what is VPC? VPC stands for Virtual Private Cloud. In this video, I am not going to give a brief introduction about VPC, but I am giving a small example about VPC. Imagine you bought a piece of land. The first thing you do is build a boundary wall, right? That will keep your land private. Inside that, you divide the land into rooms and you will add doors, windows, and main gateway for control entry. So VPC is exactly like that, your private piece of land inside AWS. So inside a VPC you will create a subnets like rooms in our house and adding internet gateway like your main gate to the outside wall and creating route tables like traffic rules telling which path to take to the next room. So everything is fine. Then why Terraform? It's a big question. If you do all this manually, you have to create public subnets manually, private subnets manually, internet gateway, and everything will be created manually. If you are going to build multiple environments, it's a big task and it will take time consuming. Terraform, on the other hand, having a small construction machine, you will just give it a blueprint, write a code, and it builds the entire house for you. Example, suppose I want to implement 3 environments like development, staging, prod. If I do it manually, I will be clicking 100 times in AWS, but with Terraform, write the code once and then run it 3 times with different values. What we are going to build. Here is the plan. First we will create a VPC. Inside it we will create public subnets for web servers. Then we will create private subnets for application servers and another set of private subnets for database. Parallelly, we are also creating the supporting components like internet gateway for public access, net gateway with elastic IP so that private servers can talk to internet securely, and finally route table to decide how the traffic flow. So our approach is first, in the first step, we will build a small VPC manually using AWS Management Console. Just one VPC, one public subnet and one private subnet. By this step, we will understand how to create VPC manually using AWS Console. So in the next step, we will move to the Terraform and build the same setup with code. At first, we will hardcode the values just for test. In the step 3, we will improve it by making it reusable. We will introduce here the variables, local values, and the terraform.tf. In the step 4, we will explore Terraform modules to organize our code in a production-ready way. So, by the end of this series, you will learn how to build VPC manually, how to automate it with Terraform, how to use modules, locals, variables and outputs, and also you will know how to organize Terraform code with professional. Thank you for watching. Kindly share your feedback.